Hi, I'm Inami from the University of Tokyo. So actually, I have been to contribute to SIGGRAPH for more than 26 years since 1997. At that time, I was a PhD student, and then one of our achievements for SIGGRAPH was optical camera system. We presented it in 1998. Can you look through from this internet? So from this hall, can you see something? So thanks to retrospective material as well as this projector, so you are able to observe this. His body become transparent. It is not now, so it was recognized as diminished reality. Galvanic vestibular stimulation. Actually, so these are electrodes here. So can you put this one and this electrode behind your ear? So you are able to feel virtual gravity sensation towards the anode side. And then, so if we are able to control electric current by using this joystick, so the operator can induce by walking trajectory towards the so this is metering project. This is a sort of supernumerary ring. So now they putting two extra rings on her shoulder, and each ring can be controlled. Actually, the movement of each arm can be showing leg movement. So we can say this is body enhancement technology or body editing technology. And so in order to, the one of our purpose is to provide some of the extra human shape ability to users. We can say this is a sort of human augmented technology. Hi, I'm Inami from the University of Tokyo, Japan.